This is the girls' first birthday party, and we are celebrating it with our friends and family. Everybody's having a great time. The girls are wondering who everybody is because they don't know everybody, but they're enjoying the company. That is the reason we are here tonight, right there. Beautiful babies. Hi, Scarlett. Are you ready to go home?
Yes.
Are you done with this party?
She's done. Yeah, she's done.
I love you. Happy birthday. Hello, sweetheart. Are you having a good birthday?
Daddy. There's Daddy.
Hello. How are you?
Oh.
You want your daddy.
You want Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
We lost one of the baby.
Are you sure you're not? No, you don't let your computer shut down. It's okay. Did we ever find candles? Can we kill the music? Perfect. Okay, let's sing happy birthday because they're going crazy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indy, Scarlett, and Julie. Happy birthday to you. Okay, shake it, girls. I'm caught. Indy, quit fighting for it.
And the glitter.
I hurt our feelings. Oh, good dad. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. We got another one taken.
Indy's already gone to town. She's like, yeah, this is
Oh, there goes Ed.
Come on, girls.
Take that away. That looks dangerous. Andy, that's what happened.
Sabrina wants birthday cake.
Here, sit down.
It's coming, girl.
Wow, is that cool? Can I have that?
Hold on, girls.
Can we smash? Well, after we smash it, then we have to
Daddy, I'm gonna let you dig in there.
Yeah. There you go. You want that?
She's got a hold of all the frosting. Oh, she's like, give it back. Okay, Dippity Bakery made these and they're delicious. So
As you can tell.
wow, that's cool. Dad, come up here and get close to the table.
Is that going
That's cute.
What else do you want? Just enjoy.
Yeah, just enjoy them. Just let him enjoy them for a minute. One fifth of that piece. Yeah. The dick right in.
Oh, you got my phone.
No, I gave it to
Carter.
Oh, thank
I don't know who that is. There's a big piece of cake right there on the floor. I don't know if it's gonna get smashed.
Carter, is there a piece of cake on the
Nobody get the cake, okay? Down there.
Oh, over there.
Oh, here's some actual cake. All you're eating is icing.
There's cake. Can you guys see? Do you want the kids to see?
Sorta.
Oh, that's yummy. That's okay.
Okay, who's doing the night shift tonight?
Yay! Volunteers? All right. It is what it is. We're done.
That's it, guys.
She's just going to town.
She is totally going for it.
Then no, no. Pastor, we didn't hear who made the cakes.
Dippity Bakery and Lehigh made the cakes, and they did an incredible job. They're everything that I wanted. So if you're looking for cakes, go to Dippity.
Mom, Jody. She's out of business.
That one's getting bigger.
Here, Carlin, let me take that. All right. It is what it is. We're done.
That's it, guys.
She's just going to town.
Can you guys sit down just a little bit so we can take pictures?
Bakery and Lehigh made the cakes, and they did an incredible job. They're everything that I wanted. So if you're looking for cakes, go to Dippity.
Mom, Jody. She's out of business.
That one's getting bigger.
Come get a pic with the girls. Come. I think now's a good time to come get one with your family.
Abby's sticking her binky in her cake to save it for later.
Just a couple really quick.
This is a hard thing right here.
Taking pictures.
Okay, Amy's next. Amy wants a pic.
Good night, sweet babies. Happy birthday. You're so sweet, Abby. I love you. I love you. Good night, sweet Scarlett. Did you have a good birthday? Yeah, I did, huh? I had a very good birthday. I love you so much. Hey everybody, so the party is over now and the babies are tucked in bed. They were just smiling up at us when we got home. They were so happy. I am just so happy with how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the party. If you missed the live streaming, it should all be recorded, so check the previous videos to see it. I just wanted to tell everybody how much these babies mean to me. I already know that you know, but this is their 1-year video and I just want them to have this for when they get older. But these babies are just the answer to all of our prayers. They are such miracles. They're so strong. And I am just so blessed to have them as my babies. They're just little fighters and I just am so happy that they've gotten to this point. This is just a huge accomplishment and you know we're gonna have many more birthdays to come. We spent 8 childless years together and now it just seems all worth it. It just seems worth it to have gone through everything that we went through. Now that I see these babies and I get to hold them and love them and play with them, I'll never forget that pain of infertility of not having them. But I am just so grateful to be their mom and I'm so grateful for all of you for loving us and supporting us. And I can't thank you enough. I'm so grateful to our friends and family for all the love and support that they've shown to us. It was a beautiful party. It was everything that I ever wanted, that I dreamed of. So many vendors that helped us pull everything together last minute. And I'll put the links to all the vendors down in the description here so that you guys can check them all out. Just selfless, amazing people who are incredible at what they do and so nice to just jump in last minute and help me out when everything fell through. So make sure you check all them out and like them on Facebook. Thank you guys so much for joining us. It was a perfect day. It was perfect. And those girls are just amazing. So thank you so much for joining us. It's been an incredible day and we'll talk to you guys later.